I'm in the middle of cutting my hair right now. You see that shit right there? I just got it permed 2 days ago, so this is my first haircut with the perm. It looks pretty smooth, you feel me? The other day I posted a picture showing off my perm, and then my homie from high school was like, yo, what haircut is this? I want to get it, whatever. And I told him basically what it is. Basically what it is, it's a mid-high taper with the undercut, or what is it? Mid-high, no, fuck, I can't say. A mullet with the undercut taper, and then the taper's mid-high. I still haven't washed the mullet, so it looks all musty and frizzy and shit, just because I gotta wait till tomorrow night to be able to wash it. I'm gonna show you how to do the other side. This is what the other side looks like, and the haircut lasts too. It's been already a week. I could probably go another week, you know what I mean? Another week or two. And that's why I like it too, is because the haircut lasts, bro. I see a lot of people recommend other people low tapers, bro. Don't get no low tapers. If you want your haircut to last, don't get a low taper, bro. When my hair is short like this and then I get a perm, I be feeling like fucking Memo Ochoa, like with my big ass nose and shit too, you feel me? But I'm gonna show you how to do the other side and no fucking yapping. It's gonna be kind of hard with one hand because I still gotta see, you feel me? Basically, you'll get your 1.5 guard and then you just go hit it all. You're gonna hit it open though, but you're gonna hit your whole sideburn. Thing you want to do is set your motherfucking guidelines. So for me, I don't really like this part of the beard, like the sideburn area. So I'm about to just hit this motherfucker right here. In this area, I'm going to set it pretty high up because I don't want this area, like I said. So I'm going to hit it where it starts to curve. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring it down. It's going to be high, bro. Mid-high. I told you, mid-high. I'm going to hit that guy right there. You see that? Oh, my God. Hit that guy right there, bro. Also, I'm sick. That's why I sound like Kermit the Frog. Anyways, you're going to hit this guy with the shaver right there in that area. But you're not going to go all the way up here because that's going to leave a hard line. It's going to be hard to take out. You're going to have to push up your haircut. And it's already high, so you don't want to push it up more. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to hit that guy like right there. You guys see how I left a little tiny gap right there? That's exactly what you want. That's exactly what you want right there, because then you're going to... Me personally, I use a single foil shaver too when I'm cutting my own hair because, you know what I'm saying, it helps get that ball line out easier. So I'm going to just hit it with the very corner right there. And then you're going to go in with your clipper, no guard, and you're going to set like a smooth little guideline, all right? Maybe like half an inch width. I don't know. I'll show you right now. I know it just looks like I pushed myself up and everything, right? Nothing crazy. Like I said, my hair's super light, so my hair blends easy, all right? My hair's thin. It blends easy. Let me show you the next thing is you're going to go lever closed. And then you just go hit that little guy with your corner, all right? You're going to hit that little guy right there with your corner. You guys should be putting 2 and 2 together because it's barbecue chicken. From there, you just get the 1 guard. And then you go all the way up to here, all right? All the way up to here. But you're gonna leave that you're gonna leave that edge dark. You just want right there to be pretty much what's light. So you're gonna leave that edge dark, and yeah. And then obviously you're gonna hit it middle and close. But you see those little oh my God, what was those little stubborn hairs right there? Those little stubborn hairs right there. They're not gonna cut because we have a 1 guard on. So we're gonna slap on. So we're gonna slap on our half guard, and I'm gonna open it up first just to soften up the line. And then we're going to hit it with our half guard just to soften up the line even more. Essentially erase the line, you know what I'm saying? And then if you have a beard, you want to line that guy up. You see how I put this guideline at a slight angle like that? That's because I'm going to follow that angle. I'm basically going to follow that angle right there. Keep my cheek area dark while keeping this a little bit lighter. The reason why is because I don't have a lot of beard at all. So I got to salvage what I could get that's good. My neck area, it grows pretty dark, but my cheeks area don't. So I'm keeping the cheek area dark. I'm keeping the neck area light. So that's why I'm kind of I can't really talk. Well, you know what I'm saying? We're just going to pretend like you were there to watch me fade this in. But yeah, if you put it in at an angle, keep the edges dark, and then keep this light, it's going to look pretty even. And then I know I'm bald as hell, but it's fine. Don't worry. Basically, the top of your head, you're going to hit it with the 1 guard, 1.5 guard. Just going straight down, all right? Usually when my hair's washed, it'll sit perfect. But since I can't wash my hair right now because I have perm solution still settling in my hair, it'll sit perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like when I shower, it sits perfect. I shower. I just haven't washed my hair. So when I shower, rinse my hair off, it'll sit perfect. I hit it with the napkin and nothing. Oh, yeah, it did look. You saw how the corner was looking like light? It's looking pretty dark now. Yeah, you see? You see? I hit uncaged. I'm not going to lie. I'm about to hit uncaged. This forehead ain't uncaged. Yeah, it kind of is. I'm not going to lie. But anyways, as long as my shit's straight, bitch ass fella, that's all I give a fuck about. Also, if you're getting this haircut, make sure you lift up your hairs back here and line up the little neck hairs and stuff. Just a little baby hairs though, you feel me? And that's how you end up with this cut right here. Like I said, mid-high taper, undercut mullet. It looks pretty smooth. Once I shower and everything, I'm gonna do another clip because, you know what I'm saying, my hair is frizzy and oily and all that stuff, and it's not sitting right. So I'm gonna do another clip once I wash my hair. All right, guys, this is what the motherfucking cut looks like with my hair washed. You know what I'm saying? Nice and washed, dry, moist. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you guys want me to drop more haircut tutorials, let me know, because I'll try to make some. You know, I don't really be making content like that, but if y'all want me to do it, I'll do it. You feel me? So get smooth. I got this fucking pimp right here. I don't know where that came from. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.